night's the best time to catch Pokemon. Everybody knows that.
Genesis.
Every good tree. Hold on, there's a Rattata. He's mine. Oh, level 69. Can't make this stuff up, guys. Bink.
That's some real stuff.
Oh, dude.
This is real stuff.
Oh, and look at. Don't you hate it when a level 69 Rattata busts out of his Pokeball? Thinks he's something
Look at your
special.
daughter. She's just
Thinks
like...
he's something special. She knows who's the master.
Don't get married. Is that a code for Mankey or whatever?
I'll show you a Mankey. 10 fighting Pokemon. Oh. Let's run real quick. Let's get this back.
This is getting way too real. Like... Somebody barked at you, I think.
Yeah, I think that was a human being.
I think that was too. Why Facebook, YouTube, Instagram? We've been looking for this Bulbasaur for too long.
It's like Brondo, but Plants Crave.
Brondo?
Yeah, it has electrolytes.
Everybody's stupid, I don't know what that is. That was funny. It's what plants crave.
Why do they crave it? Because it has electrolytes.
Because I've seen a meme with Donald Trump's face. So he is. We're at EWU. And I want to go home. He's like, oh, we'll only be there for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Yeah, I forgot he was a man. They don't really mean 20 minutes. So, it's the last time I come out and play. He's trucking along my 7-month-old baby girl, Genesis. Oh, he's so far away now. Oh, goodness. Goodbye.